Shruti, very happy to have you.
My pleasure.
Very proud. This is the new bulb which we are launching. All right.
Ellarkum vanakkam. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah. Shruti, so as I was saying, we are very happy to have you on our brand.
My pleasure.
And our reasons were very clear. We wanted somebody who's modern, young, who represents today's generation, who's a rock star. But at the same time, it's not only about style and panache, but it's also about the performance. So we have loved what you have done over your career. You also come from a family of legends. So personally, I mean, all of us like what Mr. Kamal Haasan has done. We really appreciate the kind of contribution your family has had to the film industry. So we had our reasons very clearly. So what was going on in your mind when you chose to join hands with Philips?
It was actually a very easy decision for me because, of course, Philips is an innovative brand. It's innovative in a way that is effective and purposeful for you, for me, for everyone. Also, it's the #1 lighting brand, and most importantly, Philips has been a big part of my childhood and my youth, and seeing this light the way in my childhood. So it's, for me, it's almost like a nostalgic, very special thing to be a part of Philips, and most importantly with LED lighting and paving the way forward, I think it's a lovely time to be associated with the brand Philips.
It's interesting what you say that Philips is, and for all of us, I mean, all of us grew on this brand, but this is a decisive phase in Philips history. Absolutely. Where we are moving on to a technology which is LED, and that was opportune time for us to get you and Ranbir onto this. So yes. We have had discussions around LED lighting. So what's your thoughts on this new technology which is actually coming in the
I think it's a revolution. It's a revolutionary form of lighting. What I like most about it is how energy efficient it is. It's green, it's thinking about the future, it's the generation next of lighting, and I feel that it really paves the way forward for sensible lighting that's stylish and effective and works.
And all of us need it. I think our country needs it the most.
Absolutely, we really need to save on energy.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have had some TVCs which were shot. So we are going to share that with you. Can we have TVCs? Maybe you can move this side. With working on these three.
Of course, it was a lot of fun. The concept of the ad was something I liked very much. It was very nice working with Ranbir as well. What I really liked was the LED jacket. And I wish I could take one home. So you guys have to send me one over.
I must say it looks fabulous on you.
Absolutely. Oh, thank you.
It was very good. But there is more. I think we also...
Yes, there is a music video that's creating a lot of waves. So I think we should check that out as well.
And ladies and gentlemen, that will show you the possibilities which can be there with LED. So let's share that, a music video. Any questions if you...
Enanga? Soon. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. சொன்ன மாதிரி Philips is a very ஒரு well known brand #1 in lighting, and இது வந்து எனக்கு ஒரு childhood brand ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. So that shows எவ்வளவு வருஷமா இருந்திருக்குன்னு. I'm very happy that I'm associated in the new form of lighting, LED lighting. கண்டிப்பா future generationsக்கு இது helpful இருக்கும், energy saving இருக்கும். பார்த்த மாதிரி 15 yearsக்கு ஒரு bulb change பண்ண தேவையில்ல. So அந்த மாதிரி features, it's definitely good for the environment and it's energy saving. And as a light, it's ரொம்ப cost effective and definitely ரொம்ப features இருக்கு.